My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and the director of Divine Cosmetic Surgery, which is located in Delhi and Gurgaon. I've done my basic training and plastic surgery degrees from Maulana Azad Medical College, and I've done fellowships from Belgium and from Brazil, where I learned all the aspects of cosmetic surgery that we are practicing today.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bikramjit Singh. I did my MCH plastic surgery training from University of Health Sciences, Rohtak. Thereafter, I had cosmetic surgery fellowships from Sweden and USA and a reconstructive surgery fellowship from Switzerland. And before joining Dr. Amit Gupta, I have worked in Indraprastha Apollo hospitals. And my main areas of interest are body contouring surgeries, hair transplant, and AV fistulas, and we are frequently doing these surgeries at our clinic.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shalu Punj. I'm plastic surgeon. I did my MCH in plastic surgery from Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi. Before joining Divine Cosmetic Surgery, I was working as consultant in Banks Hospital, Vaishali. Though I love doing all the plastic surgery procedures, but my special areas of interest are breast enhancement surgeries like reduction, lift and augmentation, body contouring like liposuction, tummy tuck, female genital rejuvenation surgeries, hair transplantation, skin rejuvenation procedures like chemical peels.
I have an expertise in the field of hair transplant, and in the previous 11 years, we've nearly done about 5,000 hair transplants. We do hair transplants using 6 different techniques, and we are able to cater to almost every condition of hair loss, and we are able to individualize the way we do hair transplants compared to a lot of places which do not give patients many options. In addition, I have expertise in the fields of body contouring, creation of six-packs, creation of hourglass figures in a procedure which is called as a 4D body contouring, which I learned from Dr. Alfredo Hoyos, who's a Colombian surgeon and a great innovator in the field of body contouring surgery. I follow the Brazilian techniques of breast cosmetic surgery, of the breast implants, as well as short scar techniques of breast reduction and breast lift. Amongst the newest things which we have started doing a lot is facial recontouring surgery. We do a lot of Koreanization of the face. We convert chubby faces to thin faces, and we're able to basically contour the face to the type that any patient wants. A lot of use of Botox and fillers. This is getting really common, and we perform a lot of these. I'm in fact the first plastic surgeon in India to be awarded with the Trainer Award for Mers Aesthetics, which is one of the world's biggest manufacturer for fillers and botulinum toxin worldwide. So these are some of the procedures that we are performing regularly at Divine Cosmetic Surgery. We are, along with myself, we have 2 more plastic surgeons, and that is really the beauty of Divine Cosmetic, why we consider ourselves to be a number of steps ahead of many other clinics across the country. Ours is perhaps the only center in the country where there are 3 plastic surgeons, and we use each other's brains to plan every procedure, and the follow-up mechanism is really good, with all the doctors contributing equally to achieving great success in patient care. So like Dr. Vikram has his own specialization, Dr. Shalu has her specialization, and I am of course the director, and so we discuss a lot of things, we operate together, and it gives, the whole idea is to give the best plastic surgery care that any patient can get in the entire country.
And I welcome you to the world of cosmetic surgeries at Divine Cosmetic Surgery, and thank you and look good.
So I welcome you all to Divine Cosmetic Surgery at South Ex Delhi for all your cosmetic needs under one roof. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Vikas Raj and I'm associated with Dr. Amit since last 4 years. Basically, I'm taking care of gynecomastia. I'm heading the complete gynecomastia surgeries, taking care and responsible for all gynecomastia consults, arrangements for surgeries, coordination, all the queries, post follow-up, pre-ops, as well as I'm also responsible for business development activities. So couple of times we have associated with a lot of the hospitals where we are working for them, a lot of doctors who are also taking our help in helping those patients which they can't, they are sending it to us. So a lot of people are associated with us in these ways. So I am taking care of gynecomastia, business development, overall is my business. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Tina Chopra. I'm working with Divine Cosmetic Surgery from last 5 years. I'm heading plastic department here. I'm handling consultations, surgery coordination and follow-ups. I look after non-surgical medical aesthetic as well here, which includes Botox, fillers, thread, chemical peels, laser hair removal as well. Thank you.
मेरा नाम देवेंद्र सिंह रावत है। मैं पिछले 8-9 सालों से डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरा मेन काम है एफयूई करना, रोबोटिक करना और ग्राफ्ट इम्प्लांटेशन करना और ओटी की इन्वेंटरी का ध्यान रखना।
मैं अभय कुमार सिंह, मैं पिछले 8 साल से डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में काम कर रहा हूं डॉक्टर अमित गुप्ता के साथ। मैं हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करता हूं, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट का असिस्ट करता हूं, एफयूई करता हूं, रोबोटिक करता हूं, इम्प्लांटेशन करता हूं। इसके अलावा प्लास्टिक सर्जरी में असिस्ट करवाता हूं, जैसे लाइपोसक्शन, गायनेकोमेस्टिया, ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट, ब्रेस्ट रिडक्शन। इसके अलावा ओटी पेयरिंग करना, अदर जैसे गायनेकोमेस्टिया पेशेंट होते हैं उनको पोस्ट ऑफ करना, फॉलोअप करना।
मेरा नाम करण सिंह रावत है। मैं डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में 8 साल से डॉक्टर अमित गुप्ता के साथ काम कर रहा हूं। मैं यहां पर स्लीवरिंग, एफयूई, इम्प्लांट और ओटी मेंटेनेंस रखता हूं।
मेरा नाम मनीष है। मैं डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में पिछले 4 साल से काम कर रहा हूं डॉक्टर अमित गुप्ता के साथ। मैं कटिंग करता हूं, स्लीवरिंग करता हूं, एफयूई करता हूं और हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में इम्प्लांट करता हूं और ओटी को मेंटेनेंस में।
My name is Javine Kinamai from Manipur. I have been working here since last 4 years with Dr. Amit Gupta, assist in HT, hair transplant and plastic surgery and non-surgical like Botox, fillers, threads and peels chemicals.
Hi, my name is Preeti Bharadwaj. I have been here 3 years. I assist in hair transplant and plastic surgery and non-surgical procedure like filler, Botox, threads and chemical peels.
My name is Vijay. मैंने लास्ट मंथ डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में ज्वाइन किया है एंड मैं अभी हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जरी में ट्रेनिंग पर हूँ।
हाय, मेरा नाम लोकेश है। मैंने अभी डॉक्टर अमित गुप्ता जी के यहाँ डिवाइन कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में 3 महीने पहले ज्वाइन किया है। सो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में मैं अभी ट्रेनिंग पे हूँ।